Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video celebrates confidence, curves, and self-love. We're featuring Miss Diamond Doll, a plus-size BBW Curvy model. Miss Diamond Doll is more than just a model. She represents confidence, body positivity, and freedom of self-expression. As a plus-size curvy model, she inspires people to break outdated beauty standards and embrace their natural shape without shame or fear. Her content focuses on fashion, lingerie, and confidence, all designed to remind viewers that beauty exists in every size. Miss Diamond Doll believes that lingerie is not about perfection. It's about comfort, self-love, and feeling powerful in your own skin. This try-on haul is meant to inspire confidence, not comparison. The first look reflects Miss Diamond Doll's signature style: elegant, confident, and bold. The fabric supports curvy proportions while enhancing natural shape. This piece shows how lingerie can feel empowering, not restrictive. This second outfit brings a playful and confident vibe. It highlights curves beautifully while offering comfort and support. Miss Diamond Doll proves that plus-size fashion can be stylish, modern, and exciting. This look focuses on comfort and self-expression. Designed to move naturally with the body, it reflects Miss Diamond Doll's message: confidence starts from within. Miss Diamond Doll reminds us that beauty is not defined by numbers or sizes. True confidence comes from accepting yourself exactly as you are. Every body deserves respect, representation, and celebration.